Say it again. Oh. Roar, Domo. Roar.
You don't
The hat.
deserve him.
The hat is talking,
You
not
don't
me.
deserve him.
Your elbow twinkly too.
Look at them shoes, though. Is that your legs on me?
Yes. That hurt.
You wanted to cuff though. Look up. Look.
What is it? Oh, okay.
It's a spaceship.
She's crazy. I'm sorry. She's really
It's a spaceship.
Anybody know her? I
It's a
don't.
spaceship. Look at that. It's a spaceship.
Trying once.
No, I have to drink out of it.
I offered so I didn't. Hey, Ghana, you want some?
Yeah.
I'm not gay.
Okay.
You're not gay, then why were you? Then why come last night?
Why come? Why is your English so bad?
It runs in the family, okay?
Okay. So
Ask
I
him.
want to learn about pronouns, Drew Butterfly. Today.
I still don't know what a noun, a verb, or an adjective are.
Can I teach you?
No,
Okay.
I don't care.
Okay. Give me an example of a verb.
Tree.
I'm
Who's calling me?
A noun. Is that Daddy Howard?
It's your mom. I don't have her number saved, but I have her dad's.
Hello? Jonna? Yes, ma'am.
I'm bored.
Oh, the battery ran out. Put it on the charger.
Yeah, this is getting boring.